For somebody who does not enjoy cooking like me, elaborate cooking is a big pain. An air fryer makes it super easy and quick to get around this pain. I'm going to take you through a few of my go-to air fryer recipes and in this process demo the Borosil Digi Air Fryer. The Borosil Air Fryer can do 8 functions in one: air fry, grill, bake, roast, toast, dehydrate, keep warm and reheat. Given most people use a handful of common settings on the air fryer, this Borosil Digi Air Fryer has an interactive touch control digital display panel with presets for cookies, french fries, chicken, fish, kebab, cake and toast. For everything else, you can use the temperature and time settings that are given in the recipe that you are following. The first thing I'm going to do is make onion pakoras in the air fryer. I've prepared all the ingredients required for this recipe already. The Borosil air fryer comes with a nice matte finish exterior and a unique easy view window that you can use to monitor your cooking. This is a 4.7-liter air fryer that is ideal for a family of 3 to 4 people. I'm going to place the prepared ingredients for the pakoda in the non-stick frying pan. Set the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius and cook it for about 10 minutes. This air fryer can support up to 200 degrees Celsius temperature. It has a stay cool frying pan handle and an ABS body that is heat resistant. The pakoras are ready in less than 15 minutes and look at that crunch in the pakoras. Obviously, since we're using less than 90% oil, the taste will be slightly different from deep fried pakoras. But I believe it is a small compromise for your health. You can see the difference in oil between these air fried pakoras and deep fried pakoras. Evidently, so much less oil. The other functions that the air fryer can do is keep warm and reheat. The Borosil Digi Air Fryer comes with a plate at the bottom that you can use for even heating or barbecue. You can leave the pakoras in the air fryer after cooking for up to 60 minutes, after which it will auto shut off. You can also toast in the air fryer. I'm going to try a bread pizza recipe. Again, a quick and healthy snack for the evening. Use any vegetables of your choice. Spread the pizza sauce on the toast. Add some shredded cheese. Use the toast preset for about 5 minutes and your pizza toast is ready. Quick, easy and healthy. The other preset you can use is roast. Let's try to do it with corn. Compared to roasting on the gas stove directly, this air fryer gives an even roast. I've already prepared the butter and spices mixture which I'm going to spread on the corn. The exact recipe for all of these is given in the description. I'll preheat the air fryer for about 5 minutes and then use the roast preset in the air fryer for about 12 minutes. You can also use the temperature and time settings on the air fryer to achieve the same without a preset. Your crispy roasted corn is ready. Sprinkle some additional cheese and it's ready to serve. This makes for a great and quick evening snack. In addition to these, you can also perform some more elaborate dishes like baking cakes or cookies, dehydrating fruits as a healthy snack, and roast or grilled chicken. Cleaning is similar to how you would clean non-stick vessels. Soak the non-stick vessel for a few minutes, add dishwashing soap, use a soft sponge for cleaning so as not to scratch the non-stick surface. Do not use a rough brush or an aluminium brush for cleaning. From a safety point of view, the Borosil Digi Air Fryer has a mesh cover, double overheat protection and stops operation if the pan is removed during cooking. Some people tend to use an aluminium foil in the air fryer to make it easier to clean. However, that is not recommended from a safety and even cooking point of view. In summary, the Borosil Digi Air Fryer has a unique see-through window which I have not seen on any other air fryer. Being a 4.7-liter air fryer and with a 1-year warranty on the product, it is ideal for small to medium-sized families of 3 to 5 people. If you like this video, you may want to watch this video next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.